Amigos, buenos días, buenas tardes. Espero todos mis amigos estén muy bien. Como otros días, hoy también estoy aquí para darles un tópico importante en español. Es un tópico de describir a una persona, description of a person. So this is very important in the sense sometimes we are asked to describe a person. It's not that when we are asked we have to describe a person automatically based on some situations, even at the time of discussion about different topics with different persons, we automatically describe somebody else, whosoever. So in the picture we find a girl. So I am going to describe this girl. By the way, I am telling, to describe a person we can mention the look, figure, and even something about her nature and behavior and other qualities, this or that. So if you follow this description, I mean the description of this girl, as I am going to tell you, this will help you to describe many more girls, many more boys. The expressions which will be coming in the description of this girl, based on that you can describe other persons also, no matter whether girl or boy, man or woman. So I hope you will be following this description very well, as I am going to tell. First I am telling in Spanish, then I will be telling their English meaning. I have selected the name of this girl, Dicha. For example, the girl is Dicha. I am now describing this girl. La chica en la foto se llama Dicha. Ella es muy alta y muy linda. Es muy rubia tiene la cara oval y el pelo ondulado. Tiene los ojos negros y la নারীজ puntiaguda. Es moderna y moderna y amistosa. Casi siempre lleva falda, camiseta y los vestidos de moda. So this is the description of this girl called Dicha. I have described this girl called Dicha. I am now again telling the Spanish sentences and then I will be telling their English meaning. La chica en la foto se llama Dicha. The young girl in the picture is called Dicha. Ella es muy alta. She is very tall. Y muy linda and very slim or beautiful. Es muy rubia. She is very fair complexioned. Tiene la cara oval. She has oval face. Y el pelo ondulado and wavy hair. Tiene los ojos negros. She has black eyes. Y la nariz puntiaguda and sharp pointed nose. Es moderna. She is modern y amistosa and friendly. Casi siempre, almost always, lleva falda, camiseta y los vestidos de moda. Casi siempre lleva, almost always she wears falda, skirt, camiseta, t-shirt y and los vestidos de moda, fashionable dress. So suppose this is the description of a young girl. So like this you can describe so many girls, so many boys, but here is the point. You have a question already. So all the girls will not be similar by look. So the description which is for Dicha, for this girl, cannot be equally applied for other girls. Yes, the question is correct. All the persons of this world don't have equal look. That is also a matter of beauty. It is the beauty of nature also. It is the beauty of the our God's creation also. So the thing is, if you follow this description very well, based on that you can make. So what we have to do more? We have to know some more describing words, and from those describing words you have to select which matches which person's look, which person's figure. But 2 or 3 points you have to remember. When we are describing a person, we are mentioning the figure of the person, the look of the person, and even something like his nature, yes, his quality. Follow the description the describing words here I have used Linda, which is beautiful, slim, rubia, fair complexioned, oval, oval shaped, ondulado, wavy, negros, black, puntiaguda, sharp pointed, moderna, modern, amistosa, friendly, de moda, fashionable. So alta, tall. So these are the describing words I have selected for Dicha as it appears from the picture. So different persons are there, different looks you will find. So definitely different kinds of words, describing words I mean, can automatically appear in your description. So for that I am now mentioning some other necessary, must know describing words. You can remember them, learn them, and accordingly when you describe some other persons you can apply them. So but you can use this model of the descriptions. Okay, this will help. You can know many other words from me and from dictionary, from this video, from other sources, but the thing is some common patterns are there. The patterns which I have applied here to describe Dicha, in the same pattern you can describe other persons, but some extra and extra describing words you should know that I am going to mention right now. Like this, so many describing words are there. So maybe some I have mentioned here, but except these, frankly speaking, so many describing words, thousands and thousands you can find in dictionary. But the thing is, you can select which describing words can match which person. That you will easily understand, because the person you are going to describe, definitely you know him or he is present before you. So by looking or by knowing or by hearing from somebody else, you have got the idea about the person you are going to describe. So based on that you can select the words matching the look and the nature of the person. So this is how you can describe many persons of different looks, different natures. So I hope you will be enjoying this chapter very well. You will be watching this video time and again. That's it for now. Eso es para hoy. Espero todos practiquen bien y también otra vez espero que yo les dé muchos videos de muchos tópicos importantes. Otra vez eso es para hoy. Hasta luego. Buenas noches.